Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Explore the power of Kuki AI, a comprehensive review and user experience. Join us as we delve into the world of Kuki AI, a cutting-edge conversational AI tool designed to revolutionize how businesses, developers, and individual creators interact with technology. Find links to Kuki AI and related resources in the description below. Kuki AI, a conversational powerhouse. Kuki AI stands out as a sophisticated conversational AI platform, empowering users to seamlessly integrate AI-driven chat experiences into their workflows. With a strong focus on natural language understanding and responsive interaction, Kuki AI excels in delivering human-like conversational flow, maintaining context, and responding with impressive nuance. This sets it apart in the competitive landscape of conversational AI tools. User-friendly design and powerful features. Kuki AI boasts a clean and intuitive interface, making it remarkably easy to use. Setting up chatbots is quick and straightforward. Developers will appreciate the robust API integration options, allowing for seamless implementation across apps, websites, and social media platforms. Non-technical users haven't been forgotten. Kuki AI's no-code chatbot builder, featuring drag-and-drop functionality, empowers anyone to customize dialogues, triggers, and intents without needing programming knowledge. Key features that elevate Kuki AI include multilingual support, catering to a global audience, and a rich library of pre-built templates tailored for specific industries like e-commerce, healthcare, and education. Furthermore, Kuki AI provides in-depth analytics tools, enabling users to track engagement, pinpoint areas for improvement, and continuously optimize performance. This transforms Kuki AI from a simple chatbot solution into a strategic tool for enhancing user interaction and driving conversions. Practical applications and considerations. In practice, Kuki AI performs flawlessly in handling frequently asked questions, scheduling tasks, and even assisting with creative projects such as story generation. It's worth noting that while Kuki AI excels in clearly defined tasks, it may require fine-tuning for highly specialized or niche use cases. Final verdict: a versatile and valuable tool. In conclusion, Kuki AI presents a versatile, user-friendly, and highly functional conversational AI solution. Whether you're a startup or a well-established enterprise, Kuki AI offers valuable solutions for anyone seeking to leverage the power of AI for efficient and engaging communication. Explore the links below to learn more about Kuki AI and discover how it can transform your workflow. Thanks for watching. We encourage you to leave any questions or comments below.